Today I was venturing around the beardstruggle.com website and I came across something. I came across the ultimate kit. So what I figured what we're going to do today is I'm going to walk you through everything that comes in this kit. It's pretty much all of the essentials that you'll need for your beard. First up, Radiance Beard Wash. Now I want to stop right here. Let's start with just the packaging alone. This is it's a matte finish box and it has a nice soft texture to it, and the writing's embossed, so this is nothing short of what you would expect from a premium beard company. Now let's open up this box. Again, matte finish, and the bottle, it's a 4-ounce size. Now going into the scent, Viking Storm, it's a very neutral, like a tad bit musky, a little bit of vanilla. It's a very neutral scent in regard to a cologne. You can wear this at night, you can wear this during the day, pretty much any time, and you're good to go. Again, that's the Viking Storm scent. Next up, you had the wash, and then so now we have the conditioner. Now I want to touch on something when it comes to the care for your beard and washing and conditioning. Make sure that you're using the pads of your fingers when rubbing it into your beard, as opposed to using your fingernails, because using your fingernails, there's more of a predisposition to pull hair out from unnecessary stress. So, little pro tip for you, if you didn't know that already. Okay, let's kind of switch gears just a tad bit and let's head into the armory, the tools, if you will. We have the Viking Savage Brush. So now opening this up, we have the brush. Okay, this right here, it may bring up a few questions. What's the point of this? Is there any value in actually having a brush as opposed to a plastic comb? Now with this, especially when it comes to applying beard oil, it helps evenly distribute the beard oil throughout your beard. So very, very useful and important, especially for beard care. Alrighty, next up, we have the Model Viking Beard Comb. Let's take it out of the box. Now I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's the Beard Struggle logo right here. Then also we have the Beard Struggle written across right here. Now with the introduction of the comb, is the brush necessary? Or is the brush necessary and the comb not necessary? Let me help break that down for you with the differences between the two. The brush, again, for oils, it helps evenly distribute the product throughout your beard, whereas the comb, actually, one more thing. For those of us that have frizzy hair or frizzy beards, I like to just gently go over the top after applying beard balm to get the frizziness, to get those out layers to kind of stand down, if you will. Now with the comb, I like using the comb in the longer portion of my beard. I feel it has more of an effect when it comes to actually straightening it out for styling purposes. So I hope that helps clear up some questions that you had between the brush and the comb, and which one is or isn't necessary for you in your beard journey. All right, so I've talked a lot about the brush and the comb and balms and oils. So also in the kit, we have oils and balms. With the two, there's 2 different oils and there are 2 different balms. In regard to the oils, you have a nighttime elixir, and then you also have a daytime elixir. 2 oils, what's the difference? So with the night elixir has castor oil, which castor oil has beneficial hair growth properties. So when this is sitting in your beard at night, your body is absorbing those beneficial properties. Now with the daytime, its ingredient that differentiates it from the nighttime is argan oil. So with the formulation of the daytime, that's going to give it more longevity throughout the day so that your beard stays protected. When it comes to using the beard oils, you simply unscrew this right here, take a bit of it out, drop it into your hands like so, boop, boop, boop. Rub it through. Just like the beard wash and conditioner, make sure to use the pads of your fingertips as opposed to your nails, and rub it all the way down into your skin, because that's also a common misconception that you want to make sure not to only get this on your beard hair, but also rub it into your skin. So So we have that, and now we go ahead and we grab a beard brush. Next up, the balms. Again, 2 items, both balms. What's the difference? So now we have the scruff balm. Now with the scruff balm, the difference with the scruff balm is it has beeswax. Beeswax is going to be a bit stiffer than the beard balm. And then also, in addition to the beeswax, the scruff balm has castor oil, which again has those hair growth properties in them. So with our shorter beards, that's where you're going to see more of a benefit with the scruff balm. Now with the beard balm is made with shea butter. So the reason for this is shea butter is more pliable. So with the longer beards, when you put it in, it's going to be easier to work around to shape your beard. Now, if you have a longer beard, you may ask yourself this question, okay, since I have a longer beard, I don't necessarily need the scruff balm because my beard's not short. However, from personal experience, yes, I do like using the beard balm in the longer portion of my beard, but when it comes to the mustache, I like using something that has a tad bit stiffer hold to it. So that's where the scruff balm and the beeswax comes into play. It gives me a lot more workability or a lot more hold when it comes to styling my mustache. So I hope that also helps answer that question for you if you were thinking that. Last but certainly not least, just like our bodies, we need a detox every now and then, and that's pretty much the way that I look at this Viking Sea mineral beard mask. Alrighty, this is very easy to use. You apply a medium layer to your beard and you let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it completely out. And after you use it, I mean, there's the scent of freshness to it. So that alone is therapeutic to me. In addition to any grime that you may have built up in your beard, it should have taken most of that out for the most part. And then after you use the beard max, you go ahead and then you reapply your oil or your balm or both how you normally would. I hope that this helped answer any questions that you may have had. My name is Daniel, AKA Dan's Beard. I appreciate you watching this. Now, if you are interested in this ultimate kit, along with any other kits, in addition to any other beard products, go ahead, go to www.thebeardstruggle.com and check it out. Skull.